Welcome to our Binance Coin BNB update as of September 18, 2023. BNB is holding strong at $202 support and making a slow climb past $214. The breakthrough of a bearish trend line at $213 is a positive sign. Keep an eye on resistance levels at $220, $225, and $235. If we can't clear $220, a decline might be in store, with support at $214, $210, and $202. Our technical indicators are showing bullish momentum. Stay tuned for more updates. Recent news related to BNB. Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao has said that the firm did not sell any Bitcoin or BNB during the recent crypto market crash. This is a positive sign for BNB holders, as it shows that Binance is confident in the long-term prospects of the coin. Binance has led a group of investors in a $615 million bailout of the victims of a recent hack on the Wormhole bridge. This shows that Binance is committed to supporting the crypto community and protecting investors. Binance has launched a new auto-burn mechanism for BNB, which will replace the quarterly burn cycles. This new mechanism is designed to make BNB deflationary, which could lead to higher prices in the long run. Overall, the outlook for BNB is positive. The coin is holding strong at support levels and making a slow climb higher. The recent news developments are also bullish. However, it is important to note that the crypto market is volatile, and prices can go down as well as up. Please trade responsibly.